Hi everybody, in this video we will learn how to find any term of any arithmetic sequence. It doesn't matter which term you need to find, either the first term or the any term depending on its position. So the first question is asking us to find the five first term. So we need T2, T3, T4. So we have T1 and T2 is equal to, because we have D, so we can directly write T2 is T1 plus D, which is 5 plus 3, which is 8. T3 is T2 plus D, which is 8 plus 3, which is 11. T4 is T3 plus D, which is 11 plus 3, which is 14. T5 is T4 plus D, which is 14 plus 3, which is 17. Okay, for the second question, like they are giving us that we have to find T1 and D, and from there we have to fill up the missing value. So the first thing we can see here, this is T1, T2, T3, T4, T5. So we have T4 is equal to 19 and T5 is equal to 23. So from here we can find our D. D is equal to T5 minus T4, which is 23 minus 19, which is 4. So we have our D. Now we can directly go ahead and write our equation, which is Tn is equal to T1 plus n minus 1 times D. So we want to find T1. So we can use T4, for example. T4 is equal to T1 plus 4 minus 1 times D. So 19 is equal to T1 plus 3D. And we know D is 4. So we can write 19 is equal to T1 plus 3 times 4, which is equal to 12. This is 12. So we can write T1 is equal to 19 minus 12, which is 7. So we just find our T1. We have our D here, and we need to find T2. So T2 is T1 plus D, which is 7 plus 4, which is 11. Now this is T2. T3 is same thing, T2 plus D, which is 11 plus 4, which is 15. So we just find T1 is 7, we find T2 is 11, we find T3 is 15, and we have our D, which is 5, which is 4. Or the next question, which is asking us to find the second and third term of. So we need to find the second and third term, and we know that the first term is 6, which is this, and the fourth term is 33. So we can substitute that in our equation to find our d. So Tn is equal to T1 plus n minus 1 times d. We can use number T4 is equal to T1, the fourth term is 4 minus 1 times d. T4 is 33 is equal to T1, which is 6 plus 4 minus 1, which is 3 times d. And from here we can find our d, which is 33 minus 6 divided by 3, which is 9. So this is our d. So we need to find second term is the first term. So T2 is T1 plus d, which is 6 plus 9, which is 15. The third term, T3, is T2 plus d, which is 15 plus 9, which is 24.